The world watches as tension rises between the US and Venezuela. But this time, it's not just soldiers preparing for battle, it's algorithms. Code replaces commands. Data replaces instinct. In the age of artificial intelligence, wars aren't fought by soldiers alone. They're shaped by software that learns, adapts, and predicts before the first shot is fired.
Welcome to Cyber Chateau, where AI designs the future of luxury.
In war, this technology doesn't stay behind mansion gates. It scales up to border checkpoints, military bases, and skies filled with drone swarms. What once guarded a private estate now watches entire front lines. Autonomous vehicles move ahead of soldiers, scouting terrain too dangerous for any human. They map valleys, detect landmines, and stream live feeds back to command. No rest, no hesitation. Above them, AI-driven cameras track movement in real time, analyzing heat signatures, metallic shapes, even body language, identifying potential threats before a human eye can blink. When these systems sync together, drones, sensors, and central AI command, they don't just react to war, they start predicting it. That's when technology stops being a tool and starts becoming a strategist. Behind the front lines, AI orchestrates the unseen side of war. Logistics. Predictive algorithms scan maps, weather reports, and satellite data, calculating the safest routes for supplies before commanders even ask. Imagine a digital brain that knows where every convoy, drop zone, and refueling point should be, adjusting instantly as the battlefield shifts. Somewhere in the chaos, a medic gets a ping on their military tablet. The AI has detected intercepted radio chatter and shifting heat maps. It predicts a surge of casualties within hours. The medic reroutes blood supplies, preps ambulances, and sets up triage points, all before the first shot is fired. For all its complexity, AI's purpose here is simple: save lives. But that promise depends on something fragile: the quality of its data and the ethics of its creators. AI doesn't just detect enemies. It can recognize who is not a threat. Biometric scanners read facial features, gait, even heartbeat signatures, identifying civilians caught between two sides. In theory, that means aid convoys could navigate safely through combat zones guided by real-time satellite data and identity cross-checks. Food, medicine, and shelter delivered precisely where they're needed most. But that same power casts a shadow. The systems that protect could also surveil. Every scan, every face, every heartbeat, recorded, stored, and analyzed. It's already here in smaller form. The same facial recognition systems unlocking doors in luxury smart homes could one day be used to monitor entire cities. So the question becomes, when AI polices a war zone, is it protecting lives or controlling them? Predictive policing might stop a bombing before it happens, or it might flag an innocent civilian as a threat. In the fog of war, who gets to decide? The next battlefield isn't made of mud or metal, it's made of information. AI can now create hyper-realistic fake videos, cloned voices, and entire news reports that never happened. Imagine a president declaring war on live TV, except the video isn't real.
Vladimir Putin, listen very carefully if you think I'm bluffing. Ask Saddam. Ask Gaddafi. Oh wait, you can't. 2 American nuclear subs are now lurking off your coast.
But AI isn't just the weapon, it's the defense. Counter algorithms detect deep fakes by analyzing shadows, reflections, and voice frequencies. A machine can see what the human eye misses. Still, the line between truth and illusion grows thinner by the day. Because in modern warfare, controlling the narrative can be as decisive as controlling the battlefield. A single fake video could break morale, spark panic, or ignite a real-world conflict. So we ask, in a world where truth is algorithmic, who writes the code? In the end, AI is neither hero nor villain. It's a mirror reflecting our choices. It can coordinate supply chains, guide humanitarian aid, and predict danger before it strikes. But the same systems can wage autonomous warfare, monitor whole populations, and make life and death calls in milliseconds. The temptation of automated strategy is powerful. Wars fought not by generals, but by cold, calculated data. Yet that's where humanity must draw the line. We built these systems to assist, not to replace judgment, compassion, or accountability. So we're left with a question that echoes beyond battlefields. Will AI make war more precise and humane, or will it strip away our last shred of humanity? The future is ours to decide. If this story made you think, share your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe to Chateau for more deep dives into the ethics, technology, and future shaping our world.